Ever dreamed of ditching your 9 to 5 and become your own boss? Imagine working from anywhere in the world, setting your own hours, and then get paid to do something you hopefully enjoy. Writing. Well, guess what? Freelance writing can make your dream reality. I remembered my friend who was called Sarah from Kisiwa College. While I was slogging through those unprofitable courses, Sarah was busy crafting online article. Fast forward a few years. Guess what? She is living in a large mansion, working from her laptop on a beach in Bali. If you don't know Bali, you can Google where Bali is. Yeah, Sarah's story is pretty darn inspiring. But how did she do it? Today, we are revealing the secrets to making a cool $15 per hour writing articles online, even if with no prior experience. So stick to the end of this video so that you can at least get something, then start writing articles on this website. Now the first website on our list is called Pay Per Content. Websites like Pay Per Content are a great place to start. They offer various writing gigs from blog posts. Now all you need here is that you need to have a laptop and a reliable internet connection and a willingness to learn. This platform typically requires a writing test before you can start. But once you are in, the possibilities here on this website are endless. So what you need to do is that you can head on to Google, then search for this website. Now the next website that you can get money by writing article is called People Per Hour. Yes, People Per Hour. It's a freelance marketplace where you can connect directly with clients looking for writing services. So you can create your profile showcasing your skills and writing samples and browse projects that pique your interest. Now the best thing with this platform is that it allows you to set your own rates and negotiate directly with clients, giving you more control over your earnings. Unlike other platforms that has got fixed price, here you can set your own price and then you can negotiate with clients. Now guru.com is another massive freelance website with a vast pool of writing jobs from website, content and technical writing. There are something for everyone here on this guru.com. So what you need to do is that you can head on to this website and then refine your search filter to find project matching your experience and expertise. Remember, this is a big website where it has got a lot of freelancers on this website. Freelancer.com is a giant in the freelance world with millions of projects posted daily on this website. On this website, you are sure to find writing gigs that suits your interest and skill set. One tip for you: building a strong profile with positive clients reviews to stand out from the competition. So what you need to do is that you can head on to this website, then create an account with them, then start writing articles for these clients who are on this website. And the best part with this website is that they employ globally. So whether you're watching this video from Kenya, from US here, from anywhere in the world, you can apply writing jobs on these websites. And also the best thing with this website is that there's no registration fees that is required on this website. And also you don't need to have enough experience. You need to have just a little or no experience to apply for this website. Now the next website that you can hover on, then start writing your article is called Scripted. Scripted caters specifically to video content creators. If you have a knack for crafting engaging narratives, you can write idea script for business and YouTubers, adding another layer of earning potential to your freelance writing arsenal. Remember, success with freelance writing takes dedication and effort, but with the right approach and those hours and platform, you can turn your writing skills into a lucrative online career. Who knows, maybe you will be the next Sarah living in the top life of your dream. Ready to get started? Leave a comment below with your writing niche and let's connect. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and then share this video with your friends for more income tips. Until the next time, God bless you. Bye.